Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. So, today, midnight, that is on 14th of March 2021, at 12:30 in the morning, TCS released a new notification about their upcoming NQT. Now, why is this NQT conducted? Which batches are eligible? And what are the new things which they have introduced? Let us know more about this. So the TCS, they are telling the test dates are on 1st of May 2021 and 13th of May. So one good positive thing about this NQT is that you have good time to prepare and to improve your scores. That is around 1.5 months. So if you have scored 85 percentile or even 90 percentile, do take up this NQT and see through it that your scores are more than 95 percentile, so that you are the top selects whenever a company in their portal absorbs students. The registration closes on 20th of April, that is just 6 days from today. But what we have observed is many of students who try to apply 2 days back or 3 days before, uh, their seats was not available. Why? Because the seats gets filled very fast. So see through it that by today itself you apply for this and book your slot, because the seats are quite limited. As they have mentioned, limited registrations, it holds good. Okay, now this NQT is for whom, sir? This is for people. Okay, so this is for people. Not only, unlike the previous NQT, it is not only for 2021 pass outs. It is not confined to 2022 pass outs or 2019 to 2020 pass outs. This NQT is general, and anybody from these batches can take up to improve their scores. Okay, there is one more twist in this upcoming NQT. What is that? Let us just check. So here, if you observe, this time the NQT will be paid, which means you pay around 600 rupees to take up the NQT, and also 399 when you take up the psychometric analysis. So people who have not taken psychometric previous time, you can take it up this time. So this time it will be a paid course, but it is worth the money, because I see there are new companies being on board on the TCS portal, and in the next 2 to 3 months there will be many more companies. Okay, so if you ask, sir, I have scored around 80 percentile, 85 percentile, should I take up this NQT? I would say do take it up. See through it that you have more than 90 to 95 percentile, so that your chance of getting absorbed will be more, because there are so many people who are applying for this. And if you have a very good percentile, trust me, you will be given more preference, you will be able to apply in more companies, and you will be giving more interviews. So do not think of this 600 plus 399, that is 999. Okay, do not think of this 999. Apply. Okay, you have good handsome number of days to apply. So prepare well for it and apply again for NQT, but do it by today if possible at the earliest, because the seats are limited. Okay, and if you are interested, even we have started a new course. You can join our course, which will get over on 25th of April. So that's a good time. We are training for 1.5 months. So if you are interested in our course, where we'll be training you for around 150 to 180 hours of live training, which will cover all the concepts, all the modules for NQT, you are welcome for it. The description of the link will be posted here in the description of the video. So all the best. Prepare well for the NQT, and may the best happen to you. Take care, people. Bye bye.